This is a Tentsile single mesh hammock coming in at 950 grams. Comes in its own bag, which is attached to the hammock and becomes a storage pocket. If you get it out, you'll find it comes with pre-looped webbing straps and some small carabiners which hook directly to the D-ring on either side of the Trillium. Also fits on any of the 3-person tents. And then if you use one of the furthest loops, it will also fit on the Trillium XL, and it can also fit under the Connect, making it a 3-person tent. Simply add 3 single-person hammocks, doesn't have to be Tentsiles, to the D-rings at each corner of your Trillium or Stingray or Vista, and make a 6-person hangout in a matter of minutes.